Are you tired of endlessly scrolling YouTube, looking for a complete tutorial on creating backyard underground bunker videos using AI? Well, your search ends today. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create cinematic underground bunker time-lapse videos. If you watch closely and follow every single detail, you'll learn a method that lets you consistently make viral time-lapse videos, perfect for posting across social media platforms. And yes, these videos can even be monetized, so you could get paid while doing it. Let's dive in and get started. If you want to create cinematic backyard bunker time-lapse videos like this, you need one thing: a master prompt. Inside the description below, you'll find 1 image generation prompt, 14 sequential video prompts. All you have to do is copy and paste them step by step to create a full evolving time-lapse sequence. Let's start. Step 1. Generate the base image in Grok AI. Head over to Grok AI and go to the Imagine section. Once you're there, select Image Generation. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, very important for shorts and reels. Now go back to the description and copy the image generation prompt. Paste it. Click Generate. You'll notice multiple images are created. Each generation is different. That's the beauty of AI. Pick the one you like most and download it. This image will be the foundation of your entire bunker evolution. Step 2. Generate the first video. Now upload that downloaded image back into Grok AI. Make sure to switch from image to video generation. Copy the first video prompt from the master prompt list. Paste it and click Generate. Once the video is ready, click the 3 dots. Select upscale to ensure the highest quality version, then download the video to your device. Step 3. Create the time-lapse effect, the secret. Now here's the trick that makes everything seamless. Open the downloaded video. Go to the last frame. Take a screenshot. Crop it vertically, 9:16. This screenshot becomes the starting frame for the next evolution stage. Step 4. Repeat the process. Upload the screenshot back into Grok AI. Make sure it's set to video generation. Copy the second video prompt. Paste, generate, upscale, download. Then, go to the last frame, screenshot, crop, upload again. Paste the next prompt. Repeat this process again and again until all 14 videos are complete. This creates a smooth, realistic bunker transformation sequence. Step 5. Editing. Once all clips are ready, import them into your preferred editing software. Arrange them in correct order. Keep the original AI audio because the original sound adds realism and immersion. Don't remove it unless necessary. Final result. When stitched together, you get a cinematic evolving backyard bunker time-lapse that looks professionally produced. And the best part? Using only this master prompt, you can create unlimited variations, different styles, lighting, environments, meaning endless content for your channel. If you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to unlock the mysteries of my smart AI box.